Ayun ku ayun, ku ayun lima jari. Gunung Merapi antimu carut, hutan lendong kita jaga.
Welcome to the peaceful village, famous for its coffee, full of hard workers who dedicate their life to provide a delicious cup of coffee on our table. Immerse yourself in the everyday life of its people, who never stop working from sunrise to sunset. Watch the children who are still in harmony with the tradition. Stay together and away from modernization. Come and stay in the cool air, verdant mountains. In the heart of society, where nature and humans coexist. Share the bittersweetness of life with its people. Who understand when it's time to give and when to take. Seize the opportunity to protect nature. Walking through the lush woodlands that provides life. Enjoy silence among various flora and fauna. Come and discover your color. Find thousands of stories from the people. Go on an adventure amidst the beautiful scenery. Step your feet into the tranquility. Come and visit Damaran Baru.